Yo, what's up everyone? Thanks again for watching another video of MotoVlog HD. I think I am at a 200 and something subscribers now, and I must say, it feels good. But anyway, what you're about to see is from the Venice Vintage Motorcycle Rally that I shot probably, I want to say like 3 months ago. I hadn't had a chance to edit it until now, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. The only thing that sucks is that I never did an intro. I guess it kind of sucks, but this is my intro now. Apparently my GoPro was set to still photos instead of the camera, so every time I kept pushing that button I was just taking pictures, which sucks. So I had a whole intro done, but it just never got recorded. Where this video picks up is right when I get to the event, and I met a lot of cool people, seen a lot of cool bikes, and I'm looking forward to going next year. So remember to be strong, be courageous, and ride safe, son. Yeah. Thanks again for watching, man, and tuning into the channel. I don't have like I don't even think I have an intro. How I'm gonna do this? I guess my outro will be my intro. I don't know, because it's a wrap, man. I'm gonna go find some food. It's been a great time. Well, I had a great time, and now I'm just ready to go eat and head to Burbank. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. It's really short, really sweet. It's just probably start with cinematic, and that's pretty much it. Maybe, I don't know how I'm gonna edit this. And all the new subscribers, thanks again for watching. This is my 3rd year coming to this event, and it's been pretty good so far. So I'm gonna try to come again. We'll see. Well, yeah, I'm gonna call it here, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Remember to give the thumbs up button a smash if you like what you see. Don't forget to subscribe if you're just stumbling across my channel randomly, and leave some comments, ask me some questions down below, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the road at some point in this lifetime. But if not, wherever you're at, remember to be strong, be courageous, and ride safe. Salute.